Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I thought I would do my Glossybox unboxing in front of the Christmas tree as it's December and it really is the only place where I don't end up with a glaring halo, because even though it's freezing outside, it's so bright in this room, which you shouldn't complain about, but I just seem to be getting glare everywhere apart from in front of the Christmas tree. At the moment, no, my luck, I'll get halfway through this, the light will move and you won't be able to see me here either. So, stop rambling, let's do December's Glossybox unboxing. I've not seen any of these. Oh, hello Gil. Do you want that one? You've got yourself in a silly angle, haven't you? There you go. There you go. Oh. And there's Darwin. There's Darwin. Hi, Bubba. So, both boys' noses in one video. Ooh, of course, it's December, so of course it's a limited box. It's quite healthy. So, it looks like a posh box of chocolates, doesn't it, Darwin? So, quite a weighty box this month. December box is normally good. It is normally good. Gold ribbon. Looks like that. Okay, so the weight is a blimmin' shower gel. Original source shower gel, sweet rhubarb and raspberry. Actually, I quite like a rhubarb sense. Okay, so a shower gel. I don't mean to seem disappointed, but I say Christmas, the December box is normally really good. We only had a shower gel a couple of months ago. You can get this brand from Poundland. They're saying full size, they're saying recommended retail is £2.30, but you can get original source quite easily from Poundland, so yes. Next item, LA Splash Golden Gatsby false eyelashes. They are rather impressive eyelashes. I am one of those people that do not have eyelash skills. Like, I just can't. Me and eyelash glue, I don't have the ability to put them on properly, but they are quite beautiful eyelashes. I really should. I've had eyelash extensions done a couple of times and I love them. It's just the infill upkeep malarkey. It just, they're a lot of work in my opinion, but I think, you know, there should be a course somewhere where grown-ups can go without judgment and be taught how to put eyelashes on. And I know there's YouTube, but I've tried, I can't make it work. Anyway, LA Splash or Lash, yeah, I'm going to call them LA Splash. I don't know, I'm assuming that's what it's called. Golden Gatsby 3D false mink lashes. These recommended retail at £9.75. I say they are super long. They do look nice, but I don't know if I'll be brave enough to put them on. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a lipstick. Okay, so LOV Cosmetics Lipstick Colour and Care lipstick. This is a full size item. Its recommended retail is £8.90. There's a possible of 5 colours, and this is called Nude Devotion. Ooh, can I get into you? So, ooh, that is a pretty colour, and I would expect there to be a standard Christmas red in a Christmas box, like, you know how like every advent calendar, makeup advent calendar has a very red. Ooh, that is a nice nude. Colour on the screen is not coming up quite true to colour in life, but that is a very creamy, nice nude. I like. That is nice. Yes, mate. Okay, next item. Next item is by Bellapierre Cosmetics, a liquid shadow eye candy. Marvellous. Recommended retail is £20. If I can get into it. Oh, oh! Just look. Please focus. Is it focusing? I don't know. I don't think it did. Ooh. Oh. It's like a sparkly, bronzy. Definitely going to need an eyelid. Oh. That noise was gilly. Definitely going to need an eyelid primer under that, but that is beautiful. Gilly Beach. Sorry, guys. But yeah, that is very pretty. Really happy with that. And last item is by Steve Laurent. Nice packaging. Is a loose powder pigment. Oh, so we've got two eye products. And this is also full size, and the recommended retail price for this one is £14.60. This glittery multi-purpose pigment powder boasts a highly pigmented formula that will allow you to create endless dazzling party looks. You can either sweep the powder across your whole eyelid for a shimmery look, use this with a wet eyeliner brush to apply it along the lash line for a delicate touch of glamour, or sprinkle onto your cheekbones for iridescent highlight. Don't know. That is beautiful. Oh. I'm so glad I opened the shower gel first, because it would have been... Can I... Oh, do I have to take an awkward stick? How do I get into you? I don't know. Is there... This is where I end up with glitter all over the place, isn't it? Oh, oh. It's so pretty. Like lighting is not my friend today. Oh, it's not coming off on camera. Oh, this is like a nudie, sparkly paradise with the pigment and the colour and the lip all together. Oh, I really wish this lighting wasn't insane at the moment so you could see, but that is beautiful. Beautiful. Put the lid back on, Katy, don't spill it. That is gorgeous. So very nude, very sparkly, very lovely. So yeah, don't quite see how the shower gel goes with this, but I don't mind it. It will get used, which is more than the eyelashes. They'll have to find a new home. But yeah, these three products are divine, in my opinion. I am very, very happy. Very happy girl. These are very Christmas, New Year without being obvious Christmas. Like, as I said, if they had like a mini MAC Ruby Woo lipstick, which they wouldn't do, but do you know what I mean? That's a very, it'd be lovely, but it is a very obvious Christmas shade, or like a MAC Russian Red. But I think these are more wearable. They're definitely going out colours to me, but they're more wearable all year round. Oh, these three products together just look beautiful, like swatching dreams for me. So yeah, very happy. Yes, I'm going to end that there before I ramble on for 10 more minutes. I hope you've had a good day. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a lovely Christmas. I'll talk to you in the next one, guys.